welcome! I hope everyone is having an amazing week. I can imagine what a week would have been for you. And thank you so much for staying positive and staying on top of everything. I'm burning with excitement to dive into this chapter. I'm Serdina, your #1 Asian web dragon. This is chapter 4 of my web development course that will get them begging for more. I call this amazing video How IIS Tool Can Help Develop Our Website Faster Like a Bullet. So here we go. IIS is a very simple tool and easy to use. It allows us to check our web pages instantly. What it does is, it's pointing to our website project codes and files and provides us with an IP address or a local host with a port number that we can access on any browser like Chrome, Firefox, in our computer or our laptop that we use to develop a website. So let's do it. Let's open up IIS. To do so, click the Windows icon on the bottom left hand side of your screen and type IIS and click Internet Information Services IIS Manager, and the page should open up. So this is what it looks like, and on the top left side of your screen, click this drop down icon and right click on Sites and click Add Websites. Now let's name the website. Let's call it My Website Project 1, and let's point this website to our website files so that when we access this website, you can also access all the files, the images, and the codes that needed to display the front end and the back end of our website. So let's click these 3 dots. This is the physical file. It's located on C drive, initpub, and located on the project 1 folder, My Website, and click this folder. Ensure that underneath this folder it contains all these folders. So click this and click OK. So now it's pointing to the files of our website. Now let's assign an IP address so that we can access this website in any browser that we want to use. So choose an IP address. There's already an IP address assigned, so click that and choose a port number. Let's use 84, or preferably you can leave this IP address unassigned. So what it does, it just gives you a local host and with a port number to access this website. But we're going to be using an IP address. So let's choose that IP address and click OK. So the site name is My Website Project 1, and it's using My Website Project 1 pool, and it's pointing to these files, to all our website files, the Umbraco files, the .NET files, and all that. And it's using an HTTP, and we check this box to start the website immediately. So click OK. So now we have the website added into our IIS. So what it does, it allows us to develop our website a lot faster because we can easily access it using any browser and any link that is pointing to this website. So to open up that website, on the right hand side of your screen you should be able to see browse website. So click that and it's now opening it on a Chrome browser. And here you go, it's opened up. Now this is our Umbraco website, and we can now access the back end of our Umbraco website. Umbraco is just simply a content management system. It just allows us to upload text, content, images, videos, PDF, Word, so that we can display all that into our website front end. So if we type on the top bar, just after the IP address up here, there's a / after our IP address. So this is the IP address 192.168.1.81:84. So 84 is the port number that we use, followed by a /. So let's type Umbraco, and now we can log in using the credential that we created in the previous chapter, which is chapter 3. So here we go. So this is the username that we use and the password that I created, or the password that we created. Click login. And now we can access the Umbraco backend using an IP address provided by IIS, stand for Internet Information Services. It's just a tool installed on your laptop or your computer, followed by colon and the port number and the link to the Umbraco backend. So now we can do whatever we want. And this allows us to develop web pages and all the cool features that we can add into our website a lot faster compared to using Visual Studio debugging or running the website using Visual Studio. So here you go, play around with it. And thank you so much for staying until the end of this video, and I really appreciate your time. And make sure you tune out for more amazing videos coming up, and we're gonna be creating a lot of awesome features and web pages that you can learn, you can apply to your own business. You can show it to your friends, your colleagues, or anyone, and just basically wow everyone. So thank you so much guys, and I hope you have an amazing day coming up.